Experiencing dropped calls on Red Pocket? You're not alone. Red Pocket is an MVNO, mobile virtual network operator using AT&T and T-Mobile networks, so call quality depends on their coverage. Dropped calls often result from weak signal strength, below 100 dBmers. This can be caused by interference, tower handoffs, or even device overheating. Key factors impacting call reliability include network congestion during peak hours and potential issues with VoLTE, Voice over LTE, and HD Voice settings. Let's explore how to diagnose and fix these issues. First, ensure VoLTE HD Voice is enabled on your device. This allows for higher quality calls over LTE. On Android, you might use codes like 44636 to access hidden settings and toggle VoLTE. For weak signals, try moving to a location with better reception. Consider band locking, especially if you're on AT&T's network in a rural area. This involves forcing your phone to use a specific LTE band like band 12. Restarting your device and reseating your SIM card are also basic but effective troubleshooting steps. If problems persist, check Red Pocket's coverage maps and contact their support.